We have just had our first look at the DJI Osmo Nano, and thanks to Jasper Ellen's leaks, we now know the price, the first technical details, and the release date, which, according to DroneXL's article, will be September 10th. However, I wouldn't say it will come out that early since we still don't have any official render, and they usually come out about 2 or 3 weeks before the release. We will surely get some more details in a few days, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss them. The Osmo Nano will be in direct competition with Insta360's Go lineup, but it will have a lower price compared to the Go Ultra. We're looking at €369 for the Osmo Nano with 64 gigabytes of integrated memory, and €399 for 128 gigabytes of storage, while the Go Ultra is priced at €429. However, the form factor is different. The Osmo Nano is closer to the Go 3S rather than the Ultra, which will compromise on battery life. However, the external module is similar to the Action 2, since it isn't a proper case, but it snaps magnetically, adding a screen and more battery capacity. As for the new details, the storage will work like on the Action 2, with 64 or 128 gigs of internal memory, and a micro SD card on the additional module, which could finally be waterproof too, since we can see a slot on the side. Also, the touchscreen module will work as a remote wirelessly, meaning that the contact pins will only be used for charging. The report from DroneXL also says all the sides will be magnetic, and the main module will charge up to 80% in just 20 minutes. That is basically it for the Osmo Nano. We still don't know anything about the camera specs, so subscribe to be updated, check out the community posts, and drop a like if this video was helpful.